Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In the video we're going to go through P0103, a hot film mass meter. So you're getting this in short circuit, in other words. I'll guide you to where it is and what you need to do and what are the solutions. So let's pop this back. It looks like someone else has already worked on this car in the past. Typical mechanics. So this is a sensor. This is the actual sensor to it. So reality is it's probably packed in or not an original. They do go, it doesn't matter what mileage you do, it just tends to happen and go, in other words. So our recommendation would be check the voltage, make sure you're getting the correct voltage. If that's good, then we recommend that you get an OEM original. I can't seem to get the codes on this. It's a little difficult. There is no codes on here, I don't think there is. But we recommend you get original OEM. To find the right code, really, best way would be to ring dealer, speak to parts department, give them your edge, get the original. It's just a case of plug and play, guys. What we recommend as well, after, if you can, if you have, obviously you probably get like warning on there, you probably lose power and whatnot, is to reset the adaptation. So once you've replaced it, you can get used ones as well, but we always recommend you get original new. Once you get that one, what you can do is reset the adaptions using a diagnostic machine. So you just go on the engine section, not on here but on the special functions, reset the adaptation of the whole mass airflow system, and that way you kind of sure that everything's like new and neat. But that's what that code is, and that's where it belongs, guys. Them two, I'd do it myself, change it without having to get someone else to do it for me.